Test, test, test. Is this working? Okay, seems to be working. All right, this seems to be working. I haven't had much time lately to be here on YouTube, put content out there. But I thought I'd give this streaming thing a try again. I have a short 30 minutes tonight and I came across this cool tool. Terminal TUIOS, and I wanted to try this. So this seems to be a tiling window manager thingy for the terminal. So yeah, let's just give this a try. I just set up this Docker container here. There's not much installed in there. And I'm gonna install this and try this out. So again, it's called Terminal TUIOS or TUIOS, or I don't know, TUIOS. And I think it looks really cool. Yeah, let's just go with a quick install, right? Just in a Docker container, so what could possibly go wrong? I'm gonna paste this in here. Okay, and now I can run TUIOS. Wow. Terminal UI operating system. Press enter, create a window, or question mark for help. I think I'm gonna go with a question mark for now. Oh, there's a nice little help window here. Can scroll here. Okay. Oh, that's a little bit weird. It changes size while you're scrolling. Oh, there are actually people in here. Hi. Nice for you to stop by. So, okay. What can we do here? We have window management. We have workspaces. So, shortcuts for that. We have different modes. Insert mode, toggle tiling. Insert mode is like, it's like Vim, right? Window manager like Vim. It's great. Text selection, scroll back, window navigation. Okay, I guess I cannot. Oh, there's a prefix mode, just like Tmux. Can you get to the help with the in the prefix mode also? Let's just I just pressed escape. Oh, let me open up Keycaster so you can see my keys. Does this work? Yes. Okay. Oh, I accidentally created a window now. Let's also toggle off the transparency here. Great. I can't actually click here. At least not in the setup I've got here. And on the bottom left, there's some kind of status bar. On the bottom right, there's my CPU and RAM usage. Okay, cool. This actually looks like I have opened 3 windows accidentally. So let's go. Prefix was Control B. Oh, there was a witch key thingy. But let's escape here. Oh, okay. New window is N. BN. Control BN. Doesn't do much. Does this? Oh, okay. Okay. How did I do that? Ah, I pressed T. But I can't type in here. Oh, they said something about insert mode, right? Let's try this window here again. Yeah. I or enter to enter insert mode, I guess. I can type then. I'm gonna press enter now. Yeah. Looks like I can do stuff here. Ooh, not much to see. Let's run C matrix here. Cool. Hi again to 6 people right now. Cool. Yeah, this is not very structured today. I just had a little bit of time, saw this TUIOS and just wanted to try it out. Looks quite cool, but I can't remember all the shortcuts actually. So I'm gonna go with the prefix again. Workspaces, there are also workspaces. And there's tiling, Shift HL or Control arrow keys to swap windows. Okay, let's try this. I can't close this with escape anymore. Okay. Control B escape. No, I'm in window management mode now. That here. Okay, like I don't know how to use this apparently. So can I switch to no? Keycaster is also not configured very good for alt key presses. How can I do this? Apply modifiers. I will use this. Okay, this is better, but it doesn't do anything. At least I can't see. Oh, well, down here on the left, it's doing something, but I'm still stuck in this window here. Okay, now escape worked. And I can switch workspaces. So I'm on workspace 1, window 3, I guess. So let's do control and the arrow keys to switch. Yeah, I can move this around. How can I actually just go to another window? Okay. N is next window, P is previous window, or without alt, you can jump to the numbers, I guess. So control B 2. Control B2. Simply 2? No, doesn't work. There's actually a chat. Woo. Thanks for stopping by. Okay, but at least. Hi. Hey, thanks. 0x whale. Thank you. Really nice to hear. I don't know. Didn't get around to make any new videos in the last few weeks, but hopefully that will change soon. So for now, I just thought I'd come online here and play a little around with this TUIOS or TUIOS or whatever it's called. But okay. I can at least use the mouse to switch between windows. So let's try again to switch with key presses. Okay. Select window. It's just, at least it says here it should work with only the number keys, but for me, this doesn't. Oh, okay, yeah, it works. Ah, but the thing on the bottom left here doesn't change when I do this. Okay, that's what got me confused here. So I can switch. This is window 1. I can go into insert mode and I can do stuff. Oh, I haven't installed anything here in this container. Let's install htop to have something else here. Okay, cool. I think it's meant to actually replace this. Yeah, you can have multiple windows, you can tile them, you can drag them around, apparently. Let's go to the website again here. There's a little demo video. It looks really interesting, I think. Here it looks a little bit more fluid than what I'm doing here right now, but yeah, it's just a short demo here, but it looks great. And it could replace Tmux, I guess. I don't know if it has sessions. Managing multiple terminal sessions, it says at least here. But I haven't tried this out before. I'm just diving into this right now and just trying it out like a total noob. Just wanted to give some sign that I'm still alive here. Okay, so installation. Some more features, multiple terminal windows, workspace support. We saw that already. So I can, with Alt and number keys, I can switch workspaces and I can create new windows here. So this is more than Tmux almost. It's like a tiling window manager inside your terminal, which is a really cool idea. I can switch on and off tiling mode. If I come back to the other window mode, I don't know, Control B escape maybe. Still in insert. Oh no, I'm not in insert mode anymore. So now if I press T, I thought the tiling would stop, but it doesn't. Tiling mode disabled. Create a new window. Okay, now it's just placed on top here. Oh, I can actually drag these on the bottom. Why it is? Okay, yeah. Okay, now tiling mode is off. It just places the windows on top of each other, I guess. If I now press T again, it tiles it again. I don't know. Pretty cool stuff. I don't know how configurable it is or how to use it efficiently right now. Vim inspired design. Okay, so we saw already we have this insert mode where we actually use the terminal windows, and then we have this other mode. Okay, you can minimize it to a dock, but this didn't work, at least not with the mouse key, mouse presses for me, I guess. I'm clicking here, nothing happens. I also can't press the X, but that, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm inside this container here. If I press X, it also kills the window I saw before in this help menu. Control B, question mark gets you this help menu. And somewhere there, said I can close windows here, yeah. Close, rename, minimize, and restore. Okay, then let's just try to minimize it with M. Yeah, this seems to work. And now we have this number here. Press Shift M to restore this. Ah, cool. I can also move these with Control and the arrow keys. Or I don't know, Shift H, J, yeah. So like in Vim, when you move windows, it's basically the same shortcut without the prefix. Okay, what can we do? Well, next window, so we can switch between these. But how to exit insert mode, it's not completely clear to me. Attach, scroll back. Yeah, this is actually hi. This is a new cool terminal tool I just discovered on Reddit, I guess. And it's basically a tiling window manager inside of your terminal. I just installed it and I'm just trying it out. So I still don't really know how to use it efficiently, but yeah. Quite unstructured right now. But it looked so cool. I wanted to try it. So back to terminal. The scroll back mode. Toggle selection mode, quit application. There's some way to search here. So in modes, that doesn't really say how to exit the insert mode. I'm hitting escape now, it doesn't work. I'm hitting prefix escape. Okay, prefix escape. This works. So prefix is Control B by default. Thanks. Thanks for appreciate it. Appreciate it. Hope to do some more videos soon. Didn't have much time the last weeks, and I have to work on my consistency, I guess. Yeah. Do you want to see something? Trying out something here with this TUIOS. I'm a little bit lost here, actually. Toggle log viewer. Okay. Control L. Okay. It seems quite thought out. So it seems like selection mode. But where am I now? Can't see anything. It seems really cool. But I can't. I'm just having trouble using this. But window creation works, I guess, yeah. With N, with X, you can kill a window. With Control, arrow keys, you can move it, or you can use capital H, L. Not Control. capital H or L to move it, just like you do in Vim. You can also disable this tiling mode, and then you can move these windows around. Maybe now minimizing works. No. This works just with the shortcut with M, and Shift M restores all the windows. Then you have multiple workspaces also. And you see how many windows there are in each workspace. Okay. Yeah, I've also discovered it a few days ago through a Reddit post. And then also I discovered this when I went to this repo, this terminal trove. Yeah, some other terminal tools. Probably I will spend a little bit of time here in the next few days or weeks and have a look at some of them and maybe make a few videos about some of these if there are some cool things new. Yeah. Oh yeah, here it is. TUIOS, it was the tool of the week. Yeah, so pretty cool tool. I can't really demonstrate much now, but yeah, just maybe I'm gonna make a little bit more structured short video about this. Now that some of you are here, you say you love my videos. Which kind of videos do you like the most? In last few, well, most of my last videos were about Vim or new Vim. Some of my first or earlier videos were about more new Vim stuff. Okay, like window managers also and complete workflow stuff. So are you interested in also in other terminal-based workflows or keyboard-driven workflows? Or is just new Vim stuff that you're here for? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I also do. I think this is more like this tool could be quite useful actually, because like on my desktop I use aerospace, I use tiling window managers, and maybe it's also useful in the terminal, but most of the time I have stuff in full screen or maybe with one split on the side or on the bottom. So probably this is more like cool looking than useful for me, I guess, inside the terminal. Oh, to resolve these merge conflicts there, do you know about git merge tool or like the diff mode in NeoVim? I made a short video actually about something like that, but it's like with the built-in stuff. Can't show you right now because I haven't prepared anything here. Yeah, about diff view, and then I followed up with git merge tool. You can use Vim or NeoVim as a git merge tool, actually. But yeah, otherwise, most of the time, or like if you have quite simple things like you want to use your changes or their changes in merge conflicts. You can do this quite easily, but you can also edit it manually. And yes. Oh, Tony, by the way. Oh my God. Here are some famous people inside here. Hi. Love your stuff. Yes, you can. I can, if I can enter this again. Yeah, it's actually TUIOS, and I'm just running it in a Docker container here. I'm on macOS, but this is running Fedora 42. Yeah. Thanks. Great to hear. I also like your stuff. I love your stuff. I'm one of those guys that's too cheap to pay for Christian's membership, at least for now. So I just watched. I don't know if this video is out, if your complete interview is out yet. I haven't had much time on YouTube in the last weeks, but I saw that you have had an interview there, like a podcast. Still have to get to it because Christian releases them a little bit after your after the first recording or live stream, right? A few weeks after, I think. Yeah. It's really unstructured today. I just wanted to give a little sign that I'm still alive because I hadn't had much time lately to produce some videos. And I saw this TUIOS and just wanted to take a quick look. Yeah. Have you used this before? Let's dive into the help again. Not sure what I should try out next. Toggle tiling. Oh, you're working. It's all right. I actually wanted to know if Tony had already experienced TUIOS or tried this out. So you said you can't. You didn't know that. I'm afraid to pronounce your name quite wrong. But Zendri. I would say Zendri for now, like for short, right? Yeah. And Andre. Okay. Oh, Andre, or if you're like from Germany here, Andre. Ah, okay. One of your last names. So you got married and got a double name or something like that? Ah, okay. Cool, cool. So I don't know. I actually have to go in a few minutes. Oh, you inherit your family names? Oh, that's cool. In Germany, you can like combine names from your wife or husband when you marry. Spouse. It's called spouse. Yeah. So actually, my wife now has a hyphened name, like with my last name and with her last name here. Yeah. And I just kept my name because I didn't want to change my email addresses. To be honest. So yeah, cool. I guess. Yeah, it's true because I nerded out and I got my last name as a domain name to use for email. So it's my last name with a .so domain, and yeah, didn't want to change that. Thought it was cool, but actually it's really a hassle if you have to say your email address to someone and you spell this out and then they say okay, and what else? When you say just your name, your surname and your first name and your last name, first name at last name with a dot inside. Most people just ask you what if you have to do it on in person. Okay, I guess. Cool that you've been here. I know this wasn't so much content here today, but I will have a little closer look at this tool here, TUIOS. It looks really cool. Maybe it's useful. I don't know if I would switch from Tmox. I have to see how this works with different sessions. Yeah, but maybe I'm gonna do a real video on this. Thank you so much for being here, all of you. And I hope to see you soon again. So, what do I say always? See you around and take care. Thanks. I know the feeling. I know the feeling in my day job. It's also Java and Kotlin right now. Not much fun. Gotta escape the corporate world, right? Okay, so see you around. And good luck with your bug fixing in Java. Bye bye.